Are you struggling to get your computer to work? Are you frustrated by a slow machine? Or do you have broken parts that need replacing? Or have you really been keeping your computer in tune and clean over the years? Or are you afraid that you've got a virus? Well, I want to welcome you to Atlanta Computers Repaired. I'm Mateo, and it's been all my life that I've been battling with computers, trying to get them to run faster, more efficiently, more effectively, while still keeping that slick, glossy look. Now it's been over 15 years that I've done this, and today I work as a programmer analyst at Georgia Institute of Technology. I'm committed to helping other people solve their technical problems. I love to do it. In fact, I do it every day, sometimes even just for fun. And I'm willing to do everything that it takes to help you solve your computer problems. Honestly, I've helped a lot of other people solve their problems too. So call me right now and tell me what you're struggling with. Tell me what you're frustrated with. Tell me what your technical problems are with your computer. Call me right now, and together we can figure out a way to solve your problems. I'll give you a free consultation. Just call the number on the screen, and together we can work this out today.